You need some green paper, something circular, a glue stick, some scissors and a pencil. We begin by creating 3 circles. So you have 1, 2, 3. Now you need to concertina them. Easiest way to get them as neat as possible is to fold it in half, fold it in half again, fold up and fold it down. This way you're going to get a super neat concertina because you get the exact same distance between all your folds. So we'll do that again. So you got it like that. And now on this side, I'm going to do it again just to get those exact folds. First piece. Now to get your shape, you need to fold it in half. Make sure it's even. So you want them aligned at the top. And you need to glue along here. If you want to hang these up, you could now also add a little bit of thread here. Glue to about halfway, to about here. So this is where you would add some thread for hanging. Press it shut. And you have your first petal of your shamrock. Now you need to repeat it with these guys. Now we're going to make a stem. It's a personal choice thing. I haven't really got an exact measurement for it, but you get a rectangle, you concertina it, check for length. Well, we'll trim it at the end maybe. And now we glue it all together. So you take your 3 pieces. Oopsie, let's move that all out of the way. You've got your 3 pieces, you've got your glue. Now we need to glue them all together. Again, glue up to about here. Glue to here. Give it a good old squeeze. Open it up. And then you need to put quite a bit of glue all around this middle bit. Just squeeze it in. I've just kind of adjusted a little bit, give it a little wiggle, pull these out to kind of give them more that sort of heart petal shape, but also it gives you a bit more surface to glue this onto. Or you could hot glue it if that's easier for you. Put it down a bit. It's just adding that stem is a little bit fiddly.